Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn about commercial HVAC systems. If you have ever visited a shopping mall, office building, hotel, hospital, airport, or large factory, you have already experienced a commercial HVAC system in action. Unlike residential HVAC systems that serve a single home, commercial HVAC systems are designed to provide heating, cooling, ventilation, and air quality control for large buildings with many rooms and occupants. Let's understand how these systems work and explore the most common types used today. What is a commercial HVAC system? A commercial HVAC system is a large-scale heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system designed to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and good air quality in commercial and industrial buildings. These systems must handle much larger cooling and heating loads than residential systems. They are designed to operate efficiently for long hours, while providing comfort to hundreds or even thousands of people. Commercial HVAC systems are commonly used in office buildings, hospitals, schools, shopping malls, hotels, warehouses, airports, and manufacturing facilities. Why are commercial HVAC systems important? Commercial buildings generate significant heat from people, lighting, computers, machinery, and equipment. Without proper HVAC systems, indoor temperatures can become uncomfortable, air quality can deteriorate, and energy consumption can increase significantly. A properly designed commercial HVAC system helps maintain comfortable temperatures, improve indoor air quality, control humidity, reduce energy costs, and protect equipment and occupants. Types of commercial HVAC systems. Rooftop units, RTUs. One of the most common commercial HVAC systems is the rooftop unit, often called an RTU. As the name suggests, these packaged units are installed on the roof of a building. An RTU contains major HVAC components such as compressors, condensers, evaporator coils, fans, filters, and control systems inside a single cabinet. RTUs save indoor space because the equipment is located outside the occupied area. They are widely used in retail stores, restaurants, schools, supermarkets, and office buildings. RTUs can provide both cooling and heating depending on the design. Variable refrigerant flow, VRV systems. VRV systems are among the most energy-efficient commercial HVAC technologies available today. These systems use refrigerant as the cooling and heating medium. A single outdoor unit can connect to multiple indoor units located throughout a building. One of the biggest advantages of VRV systems is zone control. Different rooms can be maintained at different temperatures according to individual requirements. Some advanced VRV systems can even cool one area while heating another at the same time. VRV systems are commonly used in hotels, office buildings, hospitals, and modern commercial facilities. Chilled water systems. Large buildings often use chilled water systems. In this setup, a central chiller produces chilled water, typically around 6 degrees Celsius to 7 degrees Celsius. This chilled water is pumped throughout the building to air handling units or fan coil units. As warm air passes over cooling coils, heat is transferred to the chilled water, providing cooling to the building. Chilled water systems are highly efficient for large facilities, such as airports, universities, shopping malls, data centers, and high-rise buildings. Split HVAC systems. Commercial split systems operate similarly to residential split air conditioners, but on a larger scale. The indoor unit contains the evaporator and air handling components, while the outdoor unit contains the compressor and condenser. Refrigerant lines connect both units. Commercial split systems are commonly used in small offices, restaurants, clinics, and retail stores, where individual cooling zones are needed. Main components of commercial HVAC systems. Air handling units, AHUs. The air handling unit or AHU is one of the most important components of a commercial HVAC system. An AHU contains fans, filters, dampers, and heating or cooling coils. Its primary job is to condition and circulate air throughout the building. AHUs help maintain temperature, humidity, and indoor air quality. Large buildings may have several AHUs serving different areas. Chillers. A chiller is a machine that removes heat from water and produces chilled water for cooling purposes. The chilled water is then distributed throughout the building to AHUs or fan coil units. Chillers are available in air-cooled and water-cooled designs and are commonly used in large commercial facilities. Boilers. Boilers provide heating for commercial buildings. They generate hot water or steam, which is distributed through pipes to heating coils, radiators, or air handling units. Boilers are commonly used in colder climates where heating demand is high. Cooling towers. Water-cooled chiller systems often use cooling towers. A cooling tower helps reject unwanted heat from the condenser water system into the atmosphere, improving overall system efficiency. Cooling towers are commonly found on rooftops of large buildings and industrial facilities. Building Management System, BMS. Modern commercial HVAC systems often use a Building Management System, or BMS. A BMS acts as the brain of the HVAC system. It monitors temperatures, pressures, airflow, equipment status, energy consumption, and alarms. Facility managers can control HVAC operations from a central computer and quickly identify faults when problems occur. A BMS improves energy efficiency, reduces operating costs, and simplifies maintenance. Benefits of commercial HVAC systems. Commercial HVAC systems provide many benefits. They improve occupant comfort, maintain proper ventilation, enhance indoor air quality, reduce humidity problems, support productivity, and protect sensitive equipment. Modern systems are also designed to reduce energy consumption and operating costs through advanced controls and automation. Conclusion: commercial HVAC systems play a critical role in modern buildings. Whether it's a rooftop unit, VRF system, chilled water system, or commercial split system, each solution is designed to provide efficient heating, cooling, and ventilation for large spaces. Understanding the major components such as AHUs, chillers, boilers, cooling towers, and building management systems helps HVAC students and technicians build a strong foundation in commercial air conditioning technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC training videos, commercial HVAC lessons, refrigeration tutorials, and technical education content.